Okay, we're going to continue here on our Code Monkey adventure, and we are now on challenge 58. As our directions say, please don't get the monkey wet. So let's see what's going on here. So it looks like we have our beaver 0. We're going to have them step 5 steps, and then we'll do the same thing here with our beaver 1. We'll get that to step 5 steps. The monkey then can get to, or step the distance to banana 0, which is right here. And then it's going to turn to bananas 1. So obviously we're just going to have to step to bananas 1 there. Alrighty, so let's get our beaver 1 to step 5 here as well. So that'll be the first part. And let's just run it. It's not going to be complete, but let's run and see what's going on. 2 beavers move, monkey turns to banana, and there we go. Alright, so now all we have to do is have the monkey step the distance to bananas 1. Alright, so let's get them step, distance 2, and bananas 1. And there you go. That should fulfill lesson number 58. As you can see, we got our 3 stars, and we'll continue to lesson 59. Here we go. It says, remember, you can click on objects to add their code, as we've just done here. So what do we have here? We're going to be moving beavers 0, beavers 1 to fill in the space here, and then we're going to have to do the same thing with beavers 2 and 3. Alright, so we have beavers 0, and we're going to have step, let's say 5. Let's see if that'll be enough. There we go. Okay, so now we need to get beavers 1 to step 5, and then we're going to need beavers 2. Step 5 as well, see if that works. And then our beavers 3 to step, fix that up, 5 as well. Step 5. Let's see if those beavers first move in place, and then obviously we could check on the or work on the monkey getting to where he needs to go as well. So on this one, you can do it in a few different ways. You can move beavers 0 and 1 first, and then have the monkey walk to bananas 0 and then turn, and then we could have beavers 2 and 3 go into place, and then have them walk to that. So it's kind of up to you. This one is just kind of easy for me to move the beavers first, and then I'm going to step that monkey to the bananas here. So we'll go with step, and we're going to go to bananas 0, step distance I'm going to need here, to bananas 0, and then I'm going to have step distance to bananas 1. Obviously I need to get a turn in here, so let's get that turn in there as well. So I'll have them turn to bananas 1. There we go. So that should be pretty good there. So all the beavers go into place, and we have the the monkey go to bananas 0. Then I'm have them turn and go to bananas 1. There you go. We got our 3 stars there for challenge 59. And let's finish up here with our last challenge of number 60. It says, good thing beavers don't eat bananas, otherwise we'd probably have to share. So very similar to the last puzzle here. We're going to first, though, here, we're going to walk beavers 0, or step beavers 0 and 1, 5 steps, have the monkey turn, and then have them go to bananas 1, and then we'll have the beavers again walk a few more steps to fill in this spot. So let's get that going first. So we're going to have, we'll say, beavers 0, and then we're going to have, excuse me, that's my fault there, step, let's say 5, and then we'll have beavers 1 dot step 5 as well. Let's see if that works first. Alright, well, maybe it's a little bit closer to 4, so let's change those to 4. There we go. Alright, so now we have the beavers in place, and now we're going to have the monkey step the distance to bananas 0, and then we're going to have them turn to bananas 1. There we go. And then we're going to have them step to distance to bananas 1. All right, so let's see what happens here first. So what's going to happen here? We're going to have beaver 0 come into place, beaver 1 come into place. The monkey's then going to walk to bananas 0. He's going to turn and he's going to walk to bananas 1. Obviously, we're not complete, but let's make sure we have this in place. So run this here. There we go. It turns and he walks down there to banana 0. All right, good. So we can continue now. So the next thing we need to do, we're going to need to get this beavers 0. We're going to need him to step a few more places. So let's have him step. And it's probably like another 15 paces. But let's check that out first. So there we go. Steps into place. And we're just checking for this beaver 0 if he gets in the correct spot. Okay. So we're going to back him up a little bit. So maybe something like 10 or 11. Let's see, maybe if 11 works. That'd be a total of 15 steps there if we had 4 and 11. There you go. That looks a little better. All right. So there we go. So we have beavers 0 stepping 11 spots. So then we're going to need a beaver 1 to step 11. And then we're going to need the monkey to turn to. So he's going to need to turn to bananas 2. And then we're going to need him to step the distance to bananas 2. And there we go. Let's see if this works here now. Beaver step in place. There we go. Now the beavers should come up here, fill in those other 2 spots. And there we go. Looks pretty good. We should get 3 stars there. And that should complete our challenge number 60. Okay, as always, please let me know if you have any questions. All right, take care.